kami mga nila dun sa daughter-in-law. Nakatatlong siya.
Thank you for everything.
Bye!
Thank you for the bed, the slippers, the food. Para tayo sasayaw. Finally, aalis na rin sila. The last supper, but grabe na. Let's go! We have some visitors arriving today. Well, in 30 minutes or 1 hour, I think. So, kami kakagaling lang namin sa Sydney. Sila, palipad pa lang sila. Well, nasa flight na sila ngayon. Papunta dito sa Adelaide. And, nagluluto na ako ng dinner namin. So, nagluluto ako ng adobo. And, nagluto na rin ako ng peanut chicken. Yan. Chicken thighs. Yan. Na binik. Pinatapos ko lang itong adobo ko. Kasi request to ni Mike. Ito mo naman. Adobo ulit. Tapos nagsasaing na kami ng kanin. Yun lang yung dinner namin. Kasi lahat kami pagod. Dahil lahat kami galing ng Sydney today. Kami kaninang morning yung... Kami kaninang... Ang flight namin kaninang umaga. Sila hapon yung flight nila. Dating na yung mga bisita namin in 1 hour, I think. So, we'll see. Sana matapos ko yung adobo bago sila dumating.
Diyan na yung mga bisita namin. Susunduin ko na sa baba. Full jacket tayo. Okay, let's go. Are you coming in? Okay. Okay. Yep.
Alrighty. Nice place.
Yeah, this is
Fancy.
wala siyang amenities like ano. So guys, pa-vlog muna tayo. Inutusan ako ni Lorraine na mag-vlog eh. Sino yung mga kababayan natin?
Ryan!
Hello, welcome to
is South Australia.
Adelaide. Yep.
Ulan lang kasi ngayon sa Sydney.
Bukas walang ulan pero sa Thursday, Friday may ulan din dito.
Hi, my dear. Hi, my lovely.
Sana ilakad natin?
Bis na bis tayo ah.
Tapos kami nakaganito lang ba yan? Mukha mga adobo yan? Ano yan? Wait, kasi yan.
Kasi
Papa. May sakit si Nathan, hindi na nila sa hospital. Lumaki na ang Team PG. Apat na kami. Apat na kaming mga patay gutom.
I gave you hell. All you need is yourself. You don't need my help. I was down in a town in LA, trying to override what I couldn't erase. But you always come back, you know it comes natural. Must be something I could do, now say your name.
Para tayo sasayaw. Oo.
I always tell myself it's time for someone new. When I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again.
Oops. Oh, this is the soy sauce container. Isn't it illegal already in other, right? It's the first state, yeah. All over Australia. I thought Adelaide only.
I
think
think, but I
Adelaide
think
is,
it's Adelaide the first one to
yeah.
trade it out.
Yeah.
And that's what happened to Mary.
Bawal na yan.
Yung pag sa Japanese mga takeaway, di ba yung
Yeah,
kikuman
the sushi
nakalagay sa
takeaway
gilid?
soy sauce, we used to put the fish.
Kasi unsustainable yung plastic.
Because it's plastic. Okay.
I mean, complete. Look at this.
Yan
Flat
na
plate.
yun. Flat plate.
Looks
So,
good.
do you need flash? Ay, ano, ilaw?
Let me try. And we have the fire. Ah, I put the
May fire
photo
na
on
pala.
this side.
Dilim eh.
Hindi, kita. So, meron tayong prawn fried rice, cauliflower popcorn, ito, crispy chicken, curry, and the pork. Wow. Ay, oyster wala na. After 2 mango, chichibug tayo.
Shibuga na. Team PG. May mga recruit kami. May recruit kaming dalawa sa Team PG.
5K turn to 9K ba tayo?
Almost 9K. Oh.
Thank you, Lord.
Walang lunch to.
Diretso din.
Itong mga to hindi nag-lunch ako. Nag-noodles ako kahit pa paano.
again.
Cheers.
Will I see your
Wala ba
face
sauce pa?
again? Wanna see your face again? Will I see your face again? I see your face again.
Order tayo.
Your face again. I see your face again.
The fast churros, the 6
Your face
with
again.
so 1 chocolate hazelnut and 1 pistachio. Is that the dark one? Sorry. The dark one.
It was on sale for $99. There were the words I knew the time. Need to keep this up. Trying to eat the
Thank you.
know that I like me.
Kain mo kaya. Katapos ang kain.
PG.
PG, dessert naman. Nauna na siya.
Tignan mo yung chocolate nila, oh. It's like a
Gems.
bud. It's like a poop.
Gems. Sarap na poop.
Ako, tsaka doubles kayo. Let's make sure na mauna ako.
Ay,
Isa mauna pa siya sa akin. Tapos ka na. Eh, palagpas ka magbilang.
Talong ka ba ba yung 1, 3, 5, gano'n?
Nakakalamig daw yung ano.
Ako hindi ko
Actually, may goal kami kasi. Tanggalin ko na yung vlogs.
recorded.
Wag.
Actually, may sinasabi si ate.
third day in Adelaide. Hello.
Mga mga like,
Punta kami ng Birdside.
On my phone. Yesterday feels a year ago. Wake up, I'm ready to go. Yeah, feeling so good in control. Yeah, then think of the places I could be. So I give up and watch the TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside.
Sige, go. Dito lang kami. Wala naman kaming gana. Ikot-ikot lang.
Window shopping lang.
Tapos lunch.
Pero sila baka mag-shopping talaga.
Baka meron silang makita. Kami, ano lang kami, escort. Escort for... Pagod, actually pagod pa ako. Parang yung event o Sunday and ano na ngayon, Thursday. Pero hindi pa ako nakapag-work. Well, nag-run kami kahapon. Pero I feel like hindi pa rin ako fully recovered. Ano pa ako, medyo exhausted pa ako. Pero back to work ako tomorrow, Friday.
Ako naka-recover na ako gabi. Okay, tulog ko kagabi. Pero yung takbo natin kahapon, struggling ako nung una eh. Kasi
talaga?
naantok ako eh.
Actually, okay din yung tulog ko ngayon. Ngayon lang yata yung pinaka-okay yung tulog ko na hindi ko inisip yung Hyrox at all. Pero, medyo pagod pa rin ako.
Sige,
Physically.
pasok muna tayo dito.
Being alone together.
iPhone 4. Our going journey.
Being alone together. I never take for granted us dancing in the rain. A stocked up supermarket. Alone together. Alone together.
For the video.
Thank you.
Movies, meetups in coffee shops. Cities alive with people. Alone together. Alone together. I think I'm going crazy.
Yeah, come on. Be careful.
Yung kakainin natin tonight, alam mo, yung adobo.
Oh.
Tonight? Tutulog ako. Ay,
Be fine.
tayo mo na nga ako. Yan. Ano ba yung kimchi tsaka?
Wow, this looks good.
Yeah, I know, right?
Kimchi fried rice.
Nakita ko yun sa kabilang table, sabi ko,
Yeah.
kumuha tayo.
The Last Supper ba to? Grabe naman.
Team PGs, we're back,
Yeah.
back again.
Ay ko!
Hi everybody. Let's take you to a tour.
Grabe naman.
Look at this one. It's insane.
That's KJ's order.
Insane on the membrane.
Parang good for ano pala to. Kala ko good for tulak.
Nasa-stress ako sa dami ng
Ganun talaga. We deserve this because na-9K kami kahapon.
Pwede naman na itong dinner na din. Thank you. Yeah. Hindi pa tapos.
Hindi ko alam na may ganito.
CSA nag-order.
Hindi pa naman.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy reappear. Oh, back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like
Aftermath. Siya umubos lahat.
Uy! Naubos natin.
Umubos lahat. Hindi, may teka.
and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town.
Hindi pa sila busog. Gusto pa nila mag-dessert.
Okay lang.
Ako hindi na ako makahinga.
God, it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater.
Eh,
Si mga buwisita namin,
may kagat na.
it's their day 4. Last dinner na sa labas. Kain kami sa... Saan tayo kain?
Daughter-in-law.
Dog
We're
time.
having Indian food.
Indian food. Team PG?
Let's go! O di ba yun nga yung sabi ko? So today, napaka-productive talaga namin. Diba yung mga 7 coffee shop na ano namin eh.
Oh, saan pa kayo nakarating?
Dito sa Adelaide, may libre din pala transportation. Uy, mababang.
Hoy, baka makabangga pa kayo, babe.
Mapitawan ko po.
Uy, si Mike hinihingal na.
Baka mapitawan ko. Dumire-diretso ka doon sa...
Lasing, ganun. Lasing.
Tsura niya.
Yung napainom kami mga ilan nila dun sa daughter-in-law. Nakatatlong shot kami dun eh. Grabe.
Taas ng energy mo.
Iuwi nyo na ako dun sa ano. Ay!
Ano ba to? Iuwi mo na nga yan?
Ayusin nyo yung pagkara sa akin.
Nakakapagod to si AJ. Bigat mo din.
Kanina ko pa sinasabi kayo, isakay mo ko, saglit lang.
O, iyan na. Nakasakay ka na. Wish granted. Hindi ko nag-crack. Masaya ka na?
Matibay kasi ano naman, distributed naman yung weight ko.
Kasama.
Nag-request si Ross sa...
Diba? Kayo, mag-share kayo dyan. Ah, hindi. Hindi.
Your rice as well.
Thank you.
No worries.
Awesome. Woo! My favorite. Paneer. This one is Kaday paneer. Cheese yon. This one's chicken tikka. Barramundi.
Kompleto na.
Rice. Again, Team PG.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it
Ano na inimpake mo? Gusto ko makita. Okay, let Velasco and Fernando Velasco for you. Vitamins.
Centrum.
Ano pa?
Cutie for lunch.
Nanay ko puro biscoff yung tinapa. Uy.
Wala kasi to sa Pilipinas.
Meron
guys.
pero ano, medyo pricey yata. Ewan ko ba?
Baka mas okay pang palasada na lang, babe.
Hindi na, nandiyan na. Alam, balik ko sa supermarket. Okay.
Ano pa? And then,
Uwi na sila bukas.
May damit pa sa loob.
Mababawasan ng members ng Team PG.
but,
Hoy! Huwag natin ipakita yan.
okay lang po.
Medyo
Nabawasan na nga, oh. Tinan mo. Nabawasan.
medyo maayos na, pero... What else? Spam? Yun na yan.
I think that's it.
That's it?
Ito, wag na, no?
Oo, wag na kasi expired na
Yung
pala.
konting ano dun, damit.
Oy, meron pa ako nilabhan na damit mo.
Shoes
Tsaka yung
natin.
jacket.
Yung shoes natin, Car. Andyan
Nandito
na.
na, yung dalawang black.
So, check in to, no? Tapos ito.
Carry.
Ano pa? Ay, isa lang pala yung check-in nyo eh. Kasi nasa ano na. Iniwan na nila sa Sydney. Nakalimutan ko nang ipakita. Ito pala yung munting tinutulugan nila. So, dito sila sa office ni Mike. Ito yung... So, ano to eh, sa sofa bed, nilagay namin dito. Tapos ito yung biniling comforter. Tapos meron na talaga kaming 4 extra pillows. Binili namin to nung nagstay sila last time sa Melbourne. So, yun. Ayan na yung kanilang kwarto. Enough naman sa kanila, I guess. Ayan lang. Last night na nila and I forgot to show that. Time check. 11:11. It's their last night. Gusto pa nila manood. Oh my gosh, wala na. Ano yan? Anong movie yan?
Pa kasi ako isa.
So, naligo pa sila. Ha?
Natulugan na kami ng isa. Where's your birthday?
Dapat, manonood kami. Tingnan mo naman to. Ay, wala na. Wala na. Knockout? Nahanap ka pa. Wala na. Give up na. Give up ka na. Uwi, Ana. Uwi, Ana. Finally, aalis na rin sila. Finally.
Mamaya mamumukha pa sa kwarto.
Finally! Wala nang magulo.
Uy, Lorraine, mamimiss kami nito.
Wala na sila.
Who said? Pakis! No! Babe, oh! Babe!
Wala na silang friends.
Wala na ulit tayong friends, babe. We're alone again. Uwi na sila mamaya. Pero magbe-breakfast muna kami before anything else. Kasi gutom na ako.
Alright,
Team PG?
Let's go!
Team PG?
let's go!
Po?
Nag-iisip talaga si SA na mag-book, kaya yung hotel pa sa sa Sydney. Sydney, hindi pa masyado malaki.
Uy, ang lamig.
No. Sa Sydney na lang siya.
Lakad lang kami papuntang Capital. Kami magbe-brekkie. Ay, umuulan. Umuulan. Di namin in-expect na umuulan. Di naman malakas. Itsura nung dalawa. Wala kaming dalang payong.
Let's go.
I said I hate you, guess it was lying. When it's good, I like it. When it's bad, it's exciting.
Kasi halos sarado
I said I hate you, guess
ito lang yata bukas.
lying. Yeah, been a while since I left in August. I'm alright, but if I'm being honest, home is where the heart is, and I feel heartless. Too young to know our love would expire. Late nights in your car, we lit up a fire.
Oh, na jet plane. Ay, ikaw to. Sinayos na lang ako.
Labas. Sama ako sa labas.
Is it?
Ah, sweet.
Kiss mo?
I think I know. Bye, babe.
Which one is big one?
This one.
Easy.
All good.
All good.
And this one.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye guys. Take care.
Bye, Mike.
Thank you for everything. Bye. Thank you for the bed, the slippers, the food. Oh, the shampoo. I love our shampoo.
Sakay na. Ina, safe flight. See you next.
Bye-bye.
Safe flight. Bye. Wala na tayo ulit, friends.
Tayo na lang ulit.
Back to reality. Back to work.
Back to work, exactly. Well, ako nag-back to work na ako kahapon. Siya sa Monday. So I think this wraps up our quick mini vacay, no? Sa Sydney, and then here sa Adelaide with the visit of the sisters. Before I end this vlog, I just want to say thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng nanonood, sa mga nag-DM sa akin na they're watching our vlogs. Thank you so much. And also sa mga nag-greet ng birthday ko, sa mga well wishes, thank you. And thank you kay Pao, Lizelle, and Kimmy for accommodating us always sa Sydney. Thank you, Pao, for driving us parate, picking us up from the airport. And also, Lizelle, thank you for my gift. Ayan, ito yung gift niya sa akin ng birthday ko. Thank you. And of course, our sisters, KJ and Ate, safe flight to Sydney and sa pag-uwi sa Pilipinas. We will miss you. Wala na kaming friends. Ayun lang. Until the next vlog. Bye!
Bye.
Nothing. Thought I'd scare